Just want to show Lazada from China computer screw. Okay, make sure you order it has this casing big screw. Okay, big screw for casing, including black color. Okay. Include black color. One for motherboard screw. Got two standard. Sometimes it's smaller than the casing screw. Sometimes the casing have two different screw. Sometimes it's slightly bigger, the hole. Okay. One for hard disk or casing screw. This is for bottom of the motherboard. Bottom of motherboard. Screw on casing. This one is for casing fan. Same to this, just different color. Okay, just different color. This one sometimes is for DVD screw, DVD drive screw. One for hard disk screw, casing. This one is the seal. Never used before. Okay. Normally the screw doesn't come with this casing screw. Make sure the one you bought have this big nut. Okay.